Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you my Coach Tabby shoulder bag in Colorblock, and this is in the Hibiscus-Multi. And she looks like this. So this is in refined calf leather, polished pebbled leather, and suede. You have the suede in the gusset and the sides. On both sides you have that brown suede. You have your refined calf leather here as your inside pocket, and the rest on the back and the flap is your polished pebbled leather. You have two straps. You have the shorter strap, which is a 7 1/4 drop, and the longer strap, which is 21 1/4 drop. So, and they're both detachable. So you can use the longer strap as crossbody or shoulder wear. And if you're tiny, you possibly could use this, the shorter strap, as a shoulder bag. But I would just use it on the crook of my arm because I'm an Amazon, so putting it on my arm will just do this, and no, I don't like that. But let's talk about the bag. On the back you have a slip pocket, really spacious, and I don't have my phone with me, but it certainly will hold a phone. I have an iPhone 10 or an iPhone X, and it will fit in here with lots of room left over. You have your gold details on the side, on your lobster claws and your D-rings. These gold detail. The same gold is on the C in front, and it's just a snap closure. Open the bag, and the feel on the inside, it just feels like a microfiber. Feels like, actually, it feels like the suede on the side. So let's take out what's inside. I have to tell you, I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep the bag, and I'll tell you why. I purchased this bag from Macy's, and once I made the purchase, it was about a couple of days later, it could be about maybe a week later, Pauline, I saw that it was on sale. When I purchased this was $2.97. And about a week later, it was then on sale for $100 less. I sent them an email asking for an adjustment. This was over 4 weeks ago. I have yet to receive an acknowledgement that they received my email. Nothing. So that left a bad taste in my mouth. Secondly, when I received the bag, it looks as if someone returned it. Presentation is key in everything you do. And for me, if you're going to give me something and it looks like someone already had it and they returned it, I don't want it. So that's another reason why I'm hesitant. I'll share it with you, but honestly, I don't know if I'm going to keep the bag just for that reason, because it's already sold out. But because of the presentation and the fact that no one even even acknowledged me or replied to my email, it just left a bad taste in my mouth. But let's move on. So on the inside, so you have your front pocket, which is by the refined calf leather. So you have that front pocket here. Pardon me. You have your front pocket here. And then you have your first compartment, which is really spacious, isn't it? And then another compartment here. You have your Coach. Let me situate this properly. You have your Coach emblem right there. And then you have an inside zip pocket. And your dust bag. It is a beautiful bag. I have to give credit where it's due. This is a beautiful bag. It's very structured. It gives me a summer bag, also fall vibes, I guess, because of this color. This is a bag that I see this as a casual bag. You know, you're on South Beach. You have on, you know, cute little cargo pants, or even some beautiful linen palazzo pants, and a cute little top, sandals, and your pop of color. I really enjoy looking at this bag. It's a bag that just stands out, and I do enjoy it. It's just that, because of what I mentioned before, it doesn't give me the feels that I want. It doesn't make me happy to own it because of my first. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. And because my first impression was just not good, I can't force myself to keep this bag. Now, I say this now, but you never know. I may keep it, but at this moment, talking to you, it just leaves a bad taste in my mouth. But don't get me wrong, this is a beautiful bag. It really is a beautiful bag. It's a very, it's stunning, it's structured, and it houses a lot. Look at that. It really is a beautiful bag. But, oh, let me give you all the details before I go into another rant. So, the style number is 76106. The length of the bag is 11 inches in length, 7 inches in height, and 5 in width. So, again, this is the multi hibiscus, the Hibiscus-Multi. It's a beautiful bag. What do you think? What do you think of this bag? And let me know in the comments. I know I'm not overreacting, but some people may think so, but how do you feel? If you purchase a bag and you pay a lot of money for your bag, but when you open your package, it looks as if, I'm telling you, the bag was already opened. The bag, it was not even packaged. It was just thrown in there. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Are you someone that will accept, would you accept this and not have any issues with it at all? Or do you think I'm overreacting? I know I'm not overreacting, and I know there are a lot of people like me who value when I'm paying a lot of money. And it's not even about that. Even if I'm paying $5 for something, presentation, take pride in what you do. So if you're going to buy something, you're spending your hard-earned dollar. And if it's not presented properly, why should you pay for that? You're accepting something that you know that it's less than what you would want for yourself. So why accept it? So let me know what you would do if you received a package that looked like it was returned, that they send you a return package, a return bag. Would you keep it? Because I'm not, as I said, although I would love to keep it, I don't know if I'm going to, only because of those two things, the way it was presented and the fact that customer service hasn't even acknowledged me. I sent them 2 emails and they haven't acknowledged me, and said anything about it, and that just left a really bad taste in my mouth. And because of quarantine, thank goodness, I have at least 90 days to return it. So I still have time. It's been 4 weeks since I have it, so I still have time to return it. Let me know in the comments if you would accept that, because I've had a couple of people that said that they won't order from Macy's anymore because they've received their Coach bags the same way. And I took such pride in saying, oh, I'm so sorry, it has never happened to me, but here it is now. Other than that though, don't let that discourage you. If you purchase something and you love it, keep it. If that's okay with you, if that behavior is okay with you, go right ahead and keep it. But I don't know if I can. But still, I just wanted to share that with you. Didn't mean to go on a rant, but when you're spending a lot of money, you deserve better. So I just quickly wanted to share that with you. Let me know, do you like the bag? Do you own a Tabby? I think I'm probably, again, one of the last few people to own a Tabby, Coach Tabby bag. And I was expecting more. Anyway, how are you all doing? Let's chat. How are you doing? With everything that's going on in the world, how are you? How are you? Are you all right? You know you can always talk to me. You can always talk to me. My email is available, so you can always send me a little note. I'm always available to chat. But take care of yourself. You're in quarantine and you may feel like, you know, life sucks. And it does. Sometimes it does. Like what's happening right now, it really sucks. But take comfort in knowing that this will not last all the time. And find people, surround yourself with people that will uplift you and make you feel good, that will make you laugh. I love to make my family laugh. I am the court jester of my family. And seeing my mom laugh till she cries brings me such joy. My sister Charmaine, when she laughs, you have to laugh. And that's what brings me joy. So find something that makes you happy, block out the noise, and find something that just brings you joy, because life is meant to be enjoyed. We're placed on this earth to be of service to others. So don't sit there and wallow in self-pity, because it does you no good. But find something that uplifts you. Why am I preaching? My father is the pastor in this family. I don't know who needed to hear that, but I just wanted to say that. But even though we're here to talk about the bag, I just wanted to say, never accept something less than what you want for yourself. Don't. You deserve the best. And that should be all that you get, the best. If it's less than what you want for yourself, don't take it. That's what I do for myself anyway. But thank you all so much for watching. Stay blessed. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time, goodbye.